Hello, everybody. My name is Achilles, and I'd like to tell you a story. One morning, a package arrived at my doorstep.
Yesterday.
Guys, listen up. This is my strategy. I'm going to fast castle into a 5TC boom, and then I'm going to spam elite plumed archers in the Imperial Age.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Come on, he has some crossbows in my base. Send some knights over.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, things are looking good here, and I'm spamming elite plumes.
12 o'clock midnight.
Oh, noob team. Noob team. I'm going out for a walk, Mom. What's this? What's for me? Nice. Okay. So naturally, I decided to unbox it. I just realized that I trimmed my beard halfway through the shoot, and this should be awkward. Wait. So the card has been unboxed and activated. So I'll put some money in this baby and let's go over to the street where we can find some shops to test this baby out. Maybe we can do some different methods like swiping the card and maybe paying through UPI and maybe sending some money to a number. Alright, this is my local medical shop in my area. Let's test this baby out. Now N95. So alright, here's the card. So you can use this card like any regular card. You just find a machine like this and you swipe it. As you can see, this FAM card is numberless on both sides, but it's digital at its core and hence naturally it connects to the FamPay app on your phone. As you can see, you can swipe down to check your card details, and you can swipe right to check your settings, and there's another way to send your friends and family money. So in India we have this system for easy money transfer called UPI, and what UPI does is you can either scan QR codes, or if you have your friend's phone number or UPI ID, you can send the amount but just by entering it and typing a 4-digit PIN. I have a QR code right here, and I'm gonna scan it, and as you can see, it loads up and you can send your friends money easily. For example, let me send him 8 rupees. There you go. I enter the amount and I just seems like I have to do a little bit of a higher amount. Alright, 11 rupees. So you enter the amount, and unlike other payment apps which use UPI, they ask you to enter your 4-digit UPI PIN, but unlike the other ones, you just have to use your biometric authentication, which in this case is my fingerprint, and it automatically sends the money. So just make sure you have a good connection and the payment should be processed. It's still loading, and there we go, it's done. Oh, and by the way, did I tell you that we can earn rewards for using the card? Well, let me show you. Open the FamPay app. And then scroll down until you see the Explore section and click that button. Come on, load. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll be able to burn the FAM coins that you earn. These are basically reward points that you gain for the different types of purchase and payments that you make. So personally I prefer cashback because that's probably the best thing you can get, unless of course you really want something like an Apple Watch or something. So I'm just gonna click cashback and let's see how much I get. Spinning the wheel. Ooh, 50 rupees. Nice. So, after I don't know how many minutes of watching this video, should you buy this card? Well, there are a few things you should know before ordering one for yourself. You should either go to their website or download the FamPay app on your mobile and create an account. And by doing so, you'll create a digital version of this card. And from the app or website, you can enter your details such as your address, name, email ID and phone number so that the delivery guy can obviously contact you and order your card. I'll leave both of the links down in the description below. Now, you don't need to worry, these cards are 100% genuine and the company is genuine. The company, FamPay, is based off of Bengaluru, Karnataka, or Bangalore if you prefer the English term. They are working in partnership with IDFC First Bank to provide these cards. You have to pay like around 250 rupees to order one of these, and I think currently they have two cards that are available to order. The first one I think is a FAM card Me. That is customizable with doodles, and that's the more expensive premium version, and the other one is the normal one, and there are a lot of offers running around for these cards. But there's one important thing you should remember, and that is if you have the option of choosing between RuPay, as you can see this card is RuPay, and Visa, please don't pick the RuPay card because RuPay is the domestic India transaction processing network, and my experience with RuPay has been pretty because the network is not supported by Google, and many of the online retailers don't accept the RuPay network. So yeah, and I'm not just talking about apps, I'm also talking about websites. So yeah, if you have the option, please pick the Visa card. FamPay is targeting teenagers like me and maybe you. So if you're a teenager and you want to maybe experience how using a card is, you don't have your own bank account, you don't have your card, your parents don't trust you yet, they don't think that you're of the age yet. So if you want to experience how using a card is without a bank account, just a wallet, and by that I mean people can send you money, you can send people money, you can pay for stuff, you just cannot withdraw money from this. So if you are a teenager, this card is a good recommendation, and once again please choose the Visa card, not the RuPay card. But that does not limit the card to be used by other people above 20. So you can feel free and buy your whole family a lot of these. Peace.